Let's start understanding the basics of brain anatomy. Have you ever wondered about the complexity of the human brain? The brain is a fascinating organ that controls our thoughts, emotions, and movements. In this video, we will take a closer look at the basics of brain anatomy, including its structure and function. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of the brain's various parts and how they work together to create the remarkable human mind. Let's start with the basics. The brain is a highly complex organ that weighs about 3 pounds and is made up of billions of nerve cells called neurons. The neurons communicate with each other using electrical and chemical signals, which allow the brain to control the body and process information. The brain is divided into 3 main parts: the cerebrum, the brainstem, and the cerebellum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is responsible for controlling our thoughts, emotions, and movements. It is divided into 2 hemispheres, the left and right, which are connected by a bundle of fibers called the corpus callosum. The cerebral cortex is the outer layer of the cerebrum and is responsible for processing information from our senses, such as touch, taste, and sight. The cortex is divided into 4 lobes: the frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the temporal lobe, and the occipital lobe. The brainstem is located beneath the cerebrum and connects the brain to the spinal cord. It controls many of our involuntary functions, such as breathing and heart rate, and is also responsible for our sleep and wake cycles. The cerebellum is located at the base of the brain and is responsible for coordinating our movements and maintaining our balance. The brain also relies on a complex system of chemicals called neurotransmitters, which allow the neurons to communicate with each other. Some common neurotransmitters include dopamine, serotonin, and adrenaline, which play a role in our mood, behavior, and emotions. Thank you for watching, understanding the basics of brain anatomy. We hope that you have gained a better understanding of the brain's structure and function. Remember, the brain is a complex and fascinating organ that plays a vital role in our everyday lives. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on neuroscience and related topics.